What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. My friend BP Systems just sent me this insane demo that he built using his asset Combat Fury. If you don't know, Combat Fury is a combat asset which I have covered multiple times in my channel, and you can do pretty much anything. As you can see, you're not only limited to the default values of third person, you can pretty much build any type of game very easily, as you can see. And this looks like just straight up a freaking, like, I don't know, it looks insane. And I died. As you can see, it has so many things. I mean, if I press P, you can see all the keys. We have throw axe, we have also a kick, we have hold E, then axe special, we can block, we can dodge, we can focus mode, hold Q. Wow, man, this is like crazy stuff. Alright, let's see. Oh yes, the focus mode. Oh! Okay, that was a hit. Let me try to get my X back. Alright, let me do this. Boom. So it's pretty hard, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I will be able to beat this boss, if I'm being honest. This is quite hard. But it's so well made, it's like crazy. As you can see, I love it because when you dodge, you go in like in third person for a bit, and it's like a really nice effect, really. Oh my god, I don't know if I can heal. Let's see if I can heal. It doesn't seem like I can heal. Maybe the enemies drop something, or maybe it's just super hardcore and you just cannot heal. Oh my, I don't know how I'm still alive, honestly. It's kind of crazy. Oh my goodness. Wait, how was the okay, I can. Okay, I died again. Wow, man, this is honestly fun. If you haven't already, I will link the demo that you can download, which is exactly this one, so you can try it out. And it looks really good. It's pretty fun to play also, right? It's pretty hard, but that's what it's all about. Oh yeah, so he has a bunch of special attacks. As you can see, that's the kind of stuff that you can build with Combat Fury. You can have like different types of, you know, heavy attacks, light attacks, and crazy things like, you know, ranged combat or also close combat. Wow, that was insane. Let me try to hit him again. It's so hard. Oh, I can also kick. It might be worth it. I don't know if I'm doing any damage, but I'm definitely doing something. I'm definitely doing something, right? Oh yes, I see the. Alright, I need to run. Whoa. This is some crazy stuff. Alright, I died again. But yeah, I mean, this is really cool. I love also the environment and the animations and the enemy itself. I'm not sure if he used custom assets or used third-party assets, but man, this looks insane. Like, everything is super smooth too. Like, there's not any like bug or anything like that, you know what I mean? Like, it is flawless. Super good. Wow, okay. The only thing is that I'm bad because it's hard. But that's okay. I'm actually like doing damage. Look, he has the health bar like at what, like 60%. Let's see guys. Things that the arena is not so big, so it's okay. I died. Okay guys, I think I'm done for today. But yeah guys, this was really cool. Like I said, I will link the demo out, and if you want to also check out Combat Fury, which is the asset that BP Systems used to make this, you can check it out because it's pretty cool. But yeah guys, so if you found this video helpful or interesting, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 videos and tutorials, so check them out. And now, yes, with all I said, bye.